Ano ba itong hangin na ito? Currently, I'm running a mobile app. It's called Map. It's a mommy app. It's a locator-based application. Tapos yung categories is based on the needs of parents. Like, nandito siya. Nandito siya. So, don't mind the games. Sa mga pamangkin ko yan. Ayun, so, it's a location-based application na sana may secret ba? Yun, so, ano siya, it's a locator, tapos meron din kaming first aid. We have coupons, we produce our own articles directly of doctors, especially the PDS specialists. And we are trying to create a community for parents. Dito rin, meron sa this is parang emergency call button. So, ito yung mga emergency numbers na you can call during, let's say, typhoon or any emergencies. Lahat nandyan na. Tapos, if your GPS is turned on, and siguro medyo kayo na signal dito, lalabas dito yung mga hospitals, police stations near you. Doon. Tapos, ito yung locator. So, for example, you're gonna go out with your family or your kids. Tapos, gusto mong i-locate by city or pwede rin nearby, yung malapit sa'yo. So, let's say, locate by city. So, you choose the city. Yan, sorry. Ano yan? May basa mo. Let's say, Quezon City. And then, yung categories namin are made especially for parents and especially for moms. Like, they have mom spots. Yung mom spots are changing areas and breastfeeding stations. Tapos yung dining, naka-subcategorize siya into mga kids menu, breakfast, lunch, dinner, common. Pero we also have mga high chairs, stroller-friendly restaurants, tsaka yung mga play area. Sineparate namin yung fast food just so nakatanggal siya, nakahiwalay. Tapos meron yung mga healthy food. Ganyan. So let's say, press high chair, and then it's gonna give you search result na lahat ng restaurants, they claim that they have high chairs in their restaurants. So yan lahat. Ibig sabihin, meron yung mga, they claim na meron silang high chairs.
This is your project with Showbiz Friends or non-Showbiz?
Ako.
Personal
yeah, I
project.
hired a developer. Pero everything is my idea.
What made you decide na mag-come up with that?
Kasi yung family ko malaki, we have so many kids. Tapos, tuwing lalabas kami, so pwede kumain na okay, nakasama ng mga kids. So it's hard kasi when you look at sa internet. Kasi kung foodie ka madali, di ba? If you're after the food. But when you're after parang kids safety or yung kakainin ng kids, medyo mahirap hanapin. So, eto, mas easier for parents to look for a restaurant or an establishment na friendly for kids. And then this one is the first aid. One of my favorite na map. Nandito yung mga common illnesses sa kids. So let's say may dehydration yung kid mo. Sabihin niya the do's and don'ts and when to see a doctor.
Ang cute.
Yun. Tapos, meron ding symptom checker sa baba. Let's say you have fever and then abdominal pain and then you check the symptoms. These are the possible illness na, so, but syempre, titignan mo pa rin with the doctor, you're gonna check it. So, sa listings naman namin, we have mga specialization ng media. So, let's say, neurodevelopmental media, lalabas niya yung mga names ng media na nakalagay sa amin na may sub-specialization on neurodevelopmental.
Available both in Android?
Yes, it's available both in Android and iOS.
How long did it take para ma-complete yung app?
Medyo mabilis actually kasi magaling yung developer ko. So, wala akong magaling siya. Nasa pa lang kami, 2,000 plus. We just launched it noong September, end of September.